30 years ago, we changed the world by creating the industry's first dedicated HVAC drive. Since then, this always evolving industry has challenged us to adapt to new requirements. To meet these needs, we're proud to announce the enhanced VLT HVAC drive. The freedom to choose the motor that best suits your needs is key to ensuring ultimate energy efficiency. From the frozen tundras to the scorching desert heat, you can count on the VLT HVAC drive to provide the reliability you've come to expect. And with our new wireless LCP, you can securely and comfortably ensure that your HVAC system is always running optimally. All of this while maintaining